Hello, beautiful Port Harcourt people. It's your favorite Port Harcourt dentist, Dr. Jennifer. How are you doing? How was your weekend? Happy New Week. This is me wishing you a productive and a profitable week. That being said, it's another episode of Tidbits with Dr. Jennifer, and this morning we'll be discussing about the use of mouthwash. I know most people that have consulted for my patients and otherwise, they will be wondering why whenever they talk about the use of mouthwash, I'm always skeptical. So from my personal experience, there was a time I used to use mouthwash, and I always notice that whenever I use it, my gum is always, maybe let's say, pepperish. That's what I'll use. Like I get a funny feeling, an uncomfortable feeling on my gums every time. So at first I thought it was the brand, and then I got another brand, and the feeling was still there. So I was like, in my head, I was like, probably I'm allergic to whatever component they used to make it. That was just how I felt. Then after some years passed, I think I still went back to get mouthwash for some reason. I can't remember now. And I used them. I noticed that in addition to my gum being feeling that way, my tooth or my teeth started feeling funny, like shocking sensation. And then I stopped. So it sparked something in my head. I became curious to know what. Then I think I got two bottles of different brands, and I checked, and I now saw that they have enough. These mouthwash have a lot of, what I call it, alcoholic content, so to speak, that can cause, that can wear off your enamel. That is the white part of your tooth. And once your enamel is worn out, your it exposes your tooth and make your tooth become very sensitive. And also it can also irritate the gum of certain people, like it did mine. So since then I was like, mouthwash is a no-no for me. And so whenever I hear people say they use mouthwash, most of the times I'm tempted to ask, how do you feel? Outside the, yes, making your mouth feel fresh and all that, how does your gum feel? How does your tooth feel? Because it's the same reason why we say avoid fizzy drinks, like carbonated drinks, because of the, so to speak, would I call it acidic content or high acidic content, so to speak. Even orange juice has, so sometimes we say when you take them, use water to rinse your mouth just to protect your teeth from being eroded, so that at least you don't have that sensitivity or whatnot. So I think also from my own personal experience and the, like, only mini research I did, I saw that they had, from reading their contents at the back, so that they had high acidic content that can erode your enamel and make it to be sensitive, and also irritate your gingiva, to, so to speak. Then also the second reason why I'm always skeptical about mouthwash is that most times it masks, for some people they use it because of bad breath. Now bad breath is caused by a lot of factors, and so if you're just using mouthwash, there might be a more serious cause of the bad breath, but using the mouthwash will mask it, and before you know it, the thing that could have been managed becomes a big thing. So most of the time I feel that if you have bad breath, which you feel that you have brushed and brushing cannot, I think you should see a dentist, because there are so many causes of bad breath. It can be that you have a cavity, it can be that you have so many, maybe an impacted tooth, maybe so many others. There are so many factors, so many things that can cause bad breath. So if you're using mouthwash because of your breath, I think you should consult with a dentist first before you now use mouth, because mouthwash is, from my own personal experience, I prescribe mouthwashes, specific mouthwashes for specific conditions. So I believe that we'll be able to have a little chat. Whenever you see this video, you can tell me the reason why you choose to use, if you use mouthwash, why are you using it, and how does it make you feel. You don't need to mention the brand. You can just say, I use mouthwash because of this, and how does it make you feel. Let's have a mini discussion. Have a wonderful day. Have a productive day. If you see this on YouTube, you can like, you can share, you can subscribe. Bye.